I'm eating croutons. It's the crust.
This guy's taking pictures of us. Our car's broken down and we don't know what to do. So help us.
We're reading a little children's book I like to call What the Fuck?
I do and I wish I never did. I swear to God, you stupid bitch. Sipping Hennessy. Ooh. These sagging, fly like a dragon. This is my dick, come fly like a ladder. Bounce me, bounce and I creepy, licky, on my blicky, take a flicky.
My guy, girl. My guy, girl. My guy, girl. My guy, girl.
Swimming like through pool water, eating like I'm underwater.
You started? Yeah. How would I know?
A wine, a two, a 1, 2, 3. Put your head on my shoulder.
She'll be coming around to make me wish she could.
Wait! Wait! Wait for me!
Well, you know, if you solve, there's a $7,000 jackpot. Go ahead.
A water balloon?
Bitches do their eyebrows like this, put on black eyeshadow, cut themselves a black bob, and go, I'm from the 1920s. Okay, really? Where's your opiate addiction? Where's the racism?
I don't know why anyone is friends with me. I look like I look like Neville from Carlisle. From iCarly.
This is the face that one brand of white guy that wears a plaid shirt with a bow tie makes in every selfie.
I'ma move in and take this. Say hop out of bed, rock out again. Hop out of bed, rock out again. Hop out of bed, rock out again. Hop out.
This bitch just dead asked me if I was on birth control. I don't know. I'm a lesbian, bitch.
The officials with anemometers make sure the balloons fly, but fly safely, and that's what's happening.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I'ma be on the next level. I'ma be rocking over that bass treble. I'ma be chilling with my mother crew.
There is a brown recluse spider. Chill. You get bit by that.
No! Summer! I didn't mean it!
Hey sir, are you where you're parked in a handicap spot?
It's okay, I have an Android.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were disabled.
Oh! I shit myself.
Here's a recreation of me walking in a school dance where every white girl is running around with their shoes off.
There's this fly around me, and it won't leave me alone. Does that mean I stink?
Bitch, nigga, snitch, nigga, hoe, nigga, 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 bitch.
She got a pretty face, pretty waist. She's a dinner plate. She's the reason that my heart gon' break if she walk away. I look good from the back like this.
This is Pop with the joke of the day. What is red and smells like blue paint? Da 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 da. Red paint. Love you guys. Keep following me. Bye.
I found out earlier that I had a crazy ass lisp. If I put 2 pieces of popcorn in my mouth, the way I said trash was weird. So try it. Say trash.
Man.
Exactly.